Today, I get to bring you a project that is blowing up, okay? If you are trying to enhance your business with sales, this is exactly what you need. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So guys, this is what we're talking about, okay? CRM Sales Pro. It's at crmsalespro.net. The link is down below. What I'm gonna do is tell you a little bit about this project, and I'm gonna show you how incredibly price effective it is to get involved. Now, Sales Pro, okay, it's empowering your sales team with the ultimate business Sales Pro. There's many happy clients that you can go and search these companies, all right, that are using this right now. We don't need to go into the dashboard because I'm actually gonna log in because I've actually purchased it to show you, okay? It's got a very user-friendly dashboard, which I will show you. Increase of productivity and efficiency. It actually elevates your business performance, all right, where productivity and efficiency can meet valuable insights, as you can see here. And again, I will show you them. Some of the features before we dive in. We've got a contact center. So the Sales Pro Contact Center is a centralized system that enables businesses to effectively manage customer interactions through various channels, okay? With real-time analytics, it helps to automate customer service tasks and improve customer satisfaction. It's a powerful feature that streamlines the customer service process and ultimately increases sales. Now, the invoicing side, okay? Invoices features allows businesses to easily create and send invoices to clients, streamlines the invoicing process and provides real-time tracking of payments and overdue notices. Now, with Sales Pro, businesses can easily manage their financial and improve cash flow. On the meeting, Sales Pro's meeting management feature allows business to schedule and organize meetings with ease. It offers a centralized system to create and manage meeting agendas, inviting participants and tracking attendance with Sales Pro. Now, project working tracking, okay, it's got the tracking feature that allows businesses to manage their projects and tasks efficiently. Guys, the valuable insights are probably the most incredible feature on here, right? Allowing you to help your sales grow, managing meetings and team coordinations, and the price we will get to after I've logged in and shown you. So guys, this is what it looks like when you're inside, all right? Really nice and easy on the eyes. Now you got your dashboard where you have all your different insights, okay? You got your calendar as well, showing you what's coming up. Now, as we move down, you've got your roles where you can actually add people, all right? You can add people in super easy just with the plus on the side and start adding who you need. You got the messenger side, okay? Guys, what I really like about this, okay, with the messages and the users, everything, simple, user-friendly way to build. So if you go to the form builder, you simply click the plus again, and it gives you selective options. It's just plug and play. Down the left, you got your accounts, okay? We can add your accounts and your contacts where you can actually duplicate them in there. All your leads can get added in here, okay? Different views, and you simply just create them like this, okay? Your opportunities, okay, just add them in as well. You can put your products in, your quotes, all your sale orders, payments, cases, calendar. The calendar's really cool, all right? You just add it in what you need. So you can either add the calls in, the meetings, or the tasks. All the way down, contracts, you've got your documents, okay? Campaigns are really cool. You want to start one of your campaigns, add the plus in, choose, like I said, plug and play. It's never you have to type much. You just type it in there, click what you need to click. Guys, super easy. If you want to stream as well and different on your plans, your orders, your reports, okay? All the different analysis reports that you can do, super well, and you can export them to CSV, SQL, TXT, whatever it is you need, and your settings, of course, at the bottom if you want to change any of the settings. Now, guys, I love this because as you plug in all of these on the side, all your insights start to pop up on here. So it's as simple as a one-screen insight dashboard, okay, where everything comes and shows you exactly what you're doing right and exactly what you're doing wrong. That's why I love this. Guys, now let's go to my favorite part, but what I want you to know is you do not get this price without hitting that link down below. What is the price? It's not thousands of dollars. Look at this. $0 to get the free plan. It's $59 to get 5 users, 5 accounts, 5 contacts, free gig cloud storage. $99 to get 999 users, 999 accounts, 999 contacts, and 10 gig of storage. Now, guess what? You're thinking $59 a month? Oh, that seems a lot. $99 a month? That seems a lot. This is a one-time lifetime payment. You pay this once. One time, and you have access for life. That's how incredible this is, guys. So for $99, you can have the Lifetime Pro with all of these. You'll never use that many users, accounts, contacts, and the gut storage. So guys, please hit that link down below if you want to get involved right now. Guys, all you gotta do is hit that link down below to get involved, all right? Let me know in the comments if this has blown your mind like it did mine. And please do me a massive favor by hitting that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell, and you'll see me next time I have an amazing project for you.